Hello friends, good morning. Is everything fine guys? So good morning again and I welcome you all to Guidely Bankers Maths by Amit Pandey. So good morning again. Let's start the session. I hope the audio is clear. Is audio clear guys? Okay. So train. We'll talk about train today. And train is no difference with time, speed and distance. Both are the same chapter. You talk about train, you talk about time, speed, distance. Both are just same. The difference is only one thing, you know and that is what? The train has length. It means if you are crossing something, so let's say this is you and you are crossing something, right? Let's say that there's a pole, you're crossing a pole. So nothing will be considered. It means in crossing the pole you will take like 0 second time. But when a train crosses a pole, when this is a train crosses a pole, because train has length, so we consider its length. So when it comes like train, we consider its length. When it comes to some individual person, we don't consider. When it comes to the bike or car, we don't consider its length. That is the only difference. Okay, so if the question arises, time taken by a train, time taken by a train to cross a pole, time taken by train to cross a pole, so we need not to worry. That is length of train upon speed of train. And length means what? Length of train upon speed. Length, distance upon speed is equal to time. So same thing will be used. Same thing will be used in answering these type of questions. The concept is just distance upon speed. Okay. The second thing, directions. Okay, let's talk about a platform. So when you are crossing a platform by a train, it means length of train plus length of platform upon speed of train. It means simple formula, total distance upon total time. Distance upon speed is equal to time. The same thing will work here. Okay, one more thing need to be remember. If the direction of two trains is opposite, their speed will be plus. If direction of two trains are same, their speed will be minus. And one more thing, time is equal to distance upon speed. But in both cases, their length will be plus. Their length always will be plus because distance will be plus. Okay, so without any delay, let's see the questions. Are you guys ready for the questions? So just try to read the questions. We'll try to solve it together. Okay, first of all, this is a batch. It is going to be started from like it said already has been started. This is Jasraj sir, this is Modi sir, this is me. Yeah. In Hindi, Ashraj and Modi sir will take the class. In English, I and Modi sir will take the class. Okay, so this is a complete course. This is one of the best courses in India. If you want to buy something, go ahead and take this. Okay. Okay, these are the important things over here. So let's see the first question. Okay, first question first. Two persons are walking in the same direction at speeds 4 km per hour and 8 km per hour. A train comes behind and passes them in 8 and 9 seconds respectively. The speed of the train. That is the question. Okay. Remember, these are two persons. two smart persons. They're walking. Speed of first one is 4 km per hour. Speed of second one is 8 km per hour. And this is the train. Okay. And the speed up to train, let's say that's x km per hour. That's x km per hour. Now remember one thing. If this train crosses this man, and this train crosses this man, what will be the same? Tell me, what will be the same? Time will be the same in crossing, distance will be the same, or speed will be the same? Tell me. This train crosses this man, this train crosses this man. So when you think about it, you definitely wanna get that speed will be different. And why it will be different? Because when this train crosses this man, speed will be x minus 4. When this train crosses this man, the speed will be x minus 8. And time is already different. Time is already different because crossing this, it takes 8 seconds. Crossing this man, it takes 9 seconds. It means train's length will be same. It means distance will be same. Okay, so we know that, you know that, everyone know that if distance is same, ratio of time, that is 8:9, is equal to, is opposite to ratio of speed. Do you agree or not? Come on, tell me. Are you okay with this? Give me a thumbs up. Come on, everyone. This is 9:8. Now, okay, when crossing this man, the speed will be this. When crossing this man, the speed will be this. Okay, if you add these two, you'll get nil bati sannata. I mean, you'll get nothing if you add these two, because there will be x. But when you subtract these two, so there is 1. And when you subtract, so that is 4. So 1 means 4. So 9 means 36 km per hour. 8 means 32 km per hour. Okay, it means that when this train crosses this man, its speed is 36. It means this value is 36. So x will be 40. Or you can take like this. This value is 32. X will be 40. You got that? You got that, guys? Are you done here? Did you get the concept? Okay. Come on, tell me. Answer will be 40 km per hour. It's a one-liner question. It's a 10-second question only. And if someone asks length, so this is the speed, and this is time. Like this is the speed. This is the speed, and you got the time also. Just multiply, you get the answer. All okay? When train crosses the stationary, Kavya, if they say that the time is same, then we can say the same. Here time is different. Here time is different. So how can you say that the time is same? Okay, but when this train crosses this man, his speed will be this. When this train crosses this man, his speed will be this. How can you say that this speed is same? You hear that? It's a good question, guys. Okay, let's do the next one. Yes, let's do this one. Come on. Okay, two trains are moving in opposite direction with this and this. Their lengths are this and this. The time taken by the slower train to cross the faster train. It's a very easy question. How to do this? Opposite direction, it means speed will be 180 plus 270. It means 300. It is 7450 kilometer per hour. That's a kilometer per hour. Okay. The length is what? 3.3, 2.7. 325, 736 upon 450. But answer will be in R. This answer is in R because that is in, this is in kilometer. This is in kilometer per hour. So answer will be in R. What to do? Just divide 6 7 6 5. So that is 1 upon 75 R. Now let's convert it into second. 1 upon 75 into 3600. 25 3s are 25 4s are 3 12. 12 into 4 48. 48 second. Option A will be the answer. Got it, guys? You know how I am dividing. I think if you're following me, you get to know how do I do things. 25 3s are 25 4s are, because that's 100, and 3 12s are 12 4s are 48. No pain, only gain. There is pain actually you have taken a lot of pain in doing this, but when you started doing this, then there is no pain. But initially, to practice it out, you have to do this. Now let's solve this. Guys, come on everyone. Okay. Okay. No. Train P starts from station M at 5 p.m. This is M towards station N with this speed. Train Q starts from station N, so P goes from here like at 5 am P, and with the speed of 88 km per hour. Okay, and N starts train Q starts from station N at 7 p.m. Okay, it's a 7 and that's a Q, and towards M with the speed of this. Okay, that's good. That's awesome. Now look, if the distance between M and N, that's a complete distance is 752. It's also very good. Let's change the color of the pen. Okay guys, so time must be the same to get it out, to get the question. If you're talking about 5 am, it's a 7 am. It cannot be 5 am, but it can be 7 am. So let's move, guys. Let's come for 2 hours. So 88 kilometer in 2 hours. 88 into 2, 80 160, 88 16 176. So you have covered 176 kilometer. So this distance will be 752 minus 176. 752 minus 176. So now the train's speed is this, and train is here, right? Now it's a 7 o'clock. It's also 7 o'clock. So sum will be 88 plus 104. Speed will be 104 plus 88. It means 192. 192. And okay, 12 6 6 and 7 576, and this is also 576. So I think that is 3 3 to the 6, 3 9 27, 303. Yes, so 192 3 that's a 3 hour. It means the time taken this to this, that is 3 hours. You understand that? Okay. If the distance between station M and N, find the distance meeting point. Find the distance between meeting point and station N. So this will be the meeting point, I think so, somewhere here. And it takes like 3 hours. 3 hours means you have to find the distance between meeting point and station N. So meeting station N will be what? This, and this taking 3 hours. So 104 into 3, that is 312. So answer will be 312 kilometer. This is the meeting point, and this is point N to this that is 312. Did you get that? 312 will be your answer. I think to those who did it incorrect, did you get the point? Satyam and Mamta, I think two answers are incorrect. So did you get the point? I think you have calculated from here. I think you calculated this 88 into 3. I think you have done this. 3 8 ja 24, 3 8 ja 24 4, 3 8 ja 24 2, 264. You did this. But that's M and meeting point. And that's not only this, like 264 plus 176. So M and meeting point you have calculated, but not exact correct, because this is 264 plus 176, right? If someone asks it, because M to this, but we need to find out what N to this. Did you get it now? Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, now let's say a train. Let's do it. Come on, come on, guys. Okay, a train whose speed is 108 km per hour crosses a bridge in 15 seconds. Okay, it's good. Another train which is twice the length of the first train crosses the same bridge at the speed of 15 meters per second in 40 seconds. It's also good. Now look, 108 and 15. So I can find out length of train plus bridge. Length of bridge is equal to 108, that is kilometer per hour. Let's convert into meter per second. So that is, I think, 5 by 18 into 15. 18 6 6 5 30, 15 450. Okay. Now the second train comes in place, which is twice the length of first train. It means 2L plus bridge, that will be bridge, and then 15 into 40, that is 600. Now look, you subtract these two, you get L, and this is also L. BB cancel, that is 150. L will be 150. So length of train will be 150. So length of bridge will be 300, that is 300. Okay, okay, good. Find the time taken by the second train to cross an electric pole. Now you know this. Now this is what? M15, right? Okay, okay, that's good. Now remember, guys, the speed is this, and length will be, like, if this is 150, okay, length of train will be 300, and this is 15, so 300 upon 15, that is 20 seconds. Option will be D. Option will be D. Okay, Satyam is correct. Satyam is saying direction is not giving, so how are you solving? But Satyam, direction needed when two trains cross each other, when two persons or two objects are moving. But here nothing is given. Nothing is given that two objects. They are talking nothing about two objects. Did you get that, Satyam? Did you get that? If like concept, I can tell you guys, if concept is something, you can solve it in, like, कहते हैं ना, सोते हुए भी solve कर सकते हो. Sleeping, you can solve things if your concept is clear and you are focused enough. If your concept is not clear, you will do mistakes. You'll be damn good to mistakes. You got it, guys? Everybody got that? अरे वाह, तुम लोग कमाल करते हो. Okay, now let's solve it. Okay, a train can cross a platform of length in 75 seconds, and that's good. It can cross another train of equal length coming from the opposite direction with the speed of this in 30 seconds. Find the length of the train. Find the length of the train. Okay, here what can I say, that if like platform of length, I can say that this is 400, and the train length of train, that is L. So what? Speed distance into time, like this. This is my first equation. The second thing is it can cross another train of equal length coming from the opposite direction. Equivalent. Equivalent, it means L plus L, 2L. Okay, and coming from opposite direction, it means that is opposite, that is x plus 25 into 30, like this. And what this? Find the length of the train. You have to find out the length of the train. So either you just you find out x from here, on the place of L put, I think that would be easy, on the place of L put this x plus 25 into 15, put this on the place of L. So 400 plus 15x plus 15 into 25 is equal to 75x. Okay. So 400 plus 15 into 25. Because it's a little bit calculative, so it will spoil our mood. Okay, it's okay. 75 minus 15, that is 60x. So let's divide by 5, so that is 12x. So 5 3s and 5 80. So 12x 80 plus 3 into 75. So, and this is 12x. 80 plus 75 will be 80, 70, 150, 155. So x will be 155 by 12. So you can put it here. You will find the value of L. Yes, I think we are doing it in meter per second. We are doing everything correct here. Check it out, guys. According to this, if I'll put the value, so on the place of x, 155 by 12, and then you subtract it, so it is like, it will take some time, but it's okay. On the place of x, put this 155 by 12 into 75. So 3 4s are 325s. Okay, and this is 6.25 into 155 minus 400. So it's a little bit calculative. Do the calculation. I think it doesn't gonna give any kind of help. Last way, you must be 75. Either this should be the answer or none of these. if you're going to use the trick, so either this is the answer or none of these. So just I'm saying none of these is not in the option, so this will be the answer. I don't know. I don't want to do the calculation. I'm not in mood. You understand that? Because let's say none of these is not in the option. Let's make it little tricky. Okay, you can use calculator. You're free to use that. I'll not multiply this. According to me, if there is none of these, we'll say this is the answer. But if there is none of these, we cannot say that this is the answer. Okay, so these are the tricks, a little bit tricks. Okay, like you are solving it. Only 3 seconds are remaining. There is none of these. You are in the exam, and you're sure that either this will be the answer or none of these, and only 3 seconds remain in the exam. Don't do this. Don't do this. You understand that? Don't do this, because this can give you negative. So answer will be this. This is your answer. Okay, guys, you check it out. I'm doing this because I think with the calculator that should be the answer, but it can be wrong. I'm not sure. I don't take risk because it will give you negative. Okay. And there is no shortcut of this. You have to do this calculation. Somehow you need to do this calculation. Okay, should I tell you something, in both the cases speed is different. देखो, I cannot use shortcut because speed is different, time is different, length is different, everything is different. Okay guys, okay, this is the last question. This is the last question. What value of the speed of the train reduced? At 11 am, a train with a speed of 72 km per hour started from station P towards station Q, while at same time another train started from station Q with a speed of this towards station P. Okay, it means everything was damn clear here. That at 11 am a train with this station P towards station Q, while at the same time another train started from Q with the speed of this towards station P. Both trains are expected to cross each other at 3:30 pm. If this is expected, it means if everything goes fine, so 72 plus 90 is 90, 70, 162 into 5 by 18 into 11 to 3:30, it means 4:30. 4:30 means 9 by 2. You understand? So this is the distance between the station. 18 9 ja. No. 4.5 घंटा मतलब 9 by 2 ही तो होता है. 4.5, yes, 9 by 2. So that is the distance. You know, that is the distance between the stations, because speed will be what? 72 plus 90, 162 into 5 by 18 into 9 by 2. Okay, due to signal problem, if nothing happens, this should be the distance arising at 2 pm. The speed of the both train reduced by same value, then they crossed each other at 6:30 pm. What value of the speed of the trains reduced? So कितना ट्रेन का वैल्यू कितना reduced हुआ? That is the question, right? So it's good, it's not that bad guys. Okay. What I did, like 72 plus 90, 1, 18, 9 is 162, 9 5 is 45. Okay, just tell me the distance, what I'm doing. Is this correct? Okay, just let me do it again. 4.5 means what? 9 by 2 now. Why am I converting in like meter per second? That is kilometer. What the hell is wrong with me? 72 plus 90 into 9 by 2. There is no need to convert it now because everything is in R. That's not fair. This is 81 into 9, that is 729 kilometer. That is the distance. Okay. Okay guys, you know, I did it 5 by 18 without no reason. So that's my huge mistake. Now, okay, due to signal problem arising at 2 pm. It means till 2 pm. It means they started at 11 till 2 pm in 2 hours. Like this is what? This is 72. This is 90. 90 plus 72, 162. So into 2, that will be 162. It means 324 kilometer. So now how much distance remaining? How much distance remaining? 729 minus 324. Okay, once again, 11 to 2. That's a 3 hours, not 2 hours. 11 to, that's 3 hours. So let me multiply it by 3. 3 to the 6, 3 6 is 18, 3 1 486. Now subtract 729 minus 486. So that will be 963 246. 963 243. Okay, 243. Now it's 2 pm. They'll meet at 4:30 p.m. Now remember, they'll meet at 4:30 p.m. So what? Let me take the eraser. It means these 243 distance will be covered by, like, in how much time? 2 to 4:30. It means 4.5. It means 9 by 2. It means divide by 9. 9 to the 18. 9 7 is 63. That is 54 kilometer per hour. Now you have difference something in both, the same thing in this, and you're getting 54. Okay, so let me erase this and tell you how is this happening. Okay, this 54, like you have subtracted something from this and something from this, and you're getting 54. You understand? So 70 plus 90, 162, minus 54 is equal to 2x. So 162 minus 54, that is 108, is equal to 2x. X is equal to 54. So your answer will be 54. That is your answer. Did you get that, guys? Did you get this? Yeah. Did you get this? That's a very good question. Did you get this concept? That's an awesome question. You need to just keep calm. You want me to solve it again? I'll do that. Or you got that? Because this is the ultimate and this is the last question. This is the last question, and I'll give you homework. Everybody got that? I think we have 10 to 12 people watching. No, it's like 17 people. Okay, you got that, guys? Everybody got that? Okay, this is really good question, and you can see this kind of question in the exam, but you need to just multiply correctly. Okay. Actually, Siva, because at 5 a.m. I think we used to wake up at 5 a.m. So I think like 30 minutes session are enough. So after some time when it's gets going, so I'll make that till 6. But I think in half an hour I'll try to do as many questions as possible. Actually, the problem with me is sometimes I never see the questions how to proceed. So that's problem when happens it with me. It happens with you also. So I think that is the most greatest, or most best point what we do here. So guys, you need to be in the game. Like in 30 minutes we'll try to do as many things as possible. So thanks for being here, everyone, and it's a very awesome feeling that because of me, like daily 10 or 15 people wake up at 5 a.m. and sometimes I feel that maybe I'll get like 5 or 2 crowds only. Sometimes I was thinking in the morning, maybe someone like only 2 or 3 people watched the session. It was a great feeling actually, but that's not a problem. I understand that you guys are in the game always. So this is your homework, bro. Nikhil, thanks for telling me this. ना मैं तो जज्बाती हो जाता, अभी चला जाता मैं, है ना? अच्छा कि तुमने बता दिया. ये this is also the homework, and this is also the homework. So these 3 questions are of homework. Okay guys, thanks for being here. Take care everyone. Bye. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू, बाय. और हाँ, सोना मत. अब कोई जग गया हो जज्बाती हो गए तो सोना मत. अब जाओ थोड़ा वॉक करो और थोड़ा अपने लिए टाइम बनाओ, ठीक है? जस्ट मेक सम टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ, वॉक, डू सम एक्सरसाइजेस, ओके, एंड प्लान योर डे एंड डू समथिंग यू लव टू डू. Thank you, Siva. Thank you. You all are super. I just do things, I just do normal things. You guys are best. Thank you. Thanks for being here. Bye. Don't sleep, guys. Do some work. Do some exercise. Bye-bye.